Have you ever considered how your military training prepares you not just for battle, but also for the business world? It's time to embark on a new mission. Military entrepreneurship, transforming your disciplined skills into entrepreneurial success. Embracing this challenge means understanding the unique competencies you bring to the table. Let's dive into how your military experience can become your business edge. The heart of military training is leadership and discipline. In business, these skills translate to effective team management and unwavering commitment to goals. Military operations require meticulous planning and precise execution, qualities that are invaluable in the business realm. Your ability to strategize and implement plans sets you apart. The path to entrepreneurial success is strewn with obstacles, much like a military mission. You'll face financial challenges, market uncertainty, and perhaps skepticism about your transition. But remember, your military training has equipped you with resilience and problem-solving skills. These challenges are just new missions, awaiting your strategic approach and can-do attitude. The transition from a military to a civilian mindset can be daunting, yet exciting. Your ability to adapt and apply your skills in new contexts is critical. Think of this as a strategic redeployment, where your mission is to identify how best to apply your skills in the business arena. Just as you had mentors in the military, seeking guidance from experienced business leaders is crucial. Connect with other veteran entrepreneurs who've walked this path, or join networks where you can find mentors who understand your unique background and aspirations. Building a strong network is like establishing a solid supply chain in the military. Your connections can provide resources, advice, and support. Taking the first step to launch your business is akin to crossing into enemy territory. It's unknown and risky, but you're prepared. Whether it's an innovative product or a service based on your expertise, this is where your journey truly begins. As in military life, expect the unexpected in business. You'll need to be agile, adaptable, and ready to make quick decisions. Embrace these challenges as opportunities to grow and learn. The business world, much like the battlefield, is competitive. Understanding your competition, finding your niche, and differentiating yourself are key to survival and success. Just as you relied on your squad in the field, in business, you need a team. Surround yourself with people who complement your skills and share your vision. Remember, a strong team can make the impossible possible. As you delve deeper into your entrepreneurial journey, it's time to refine your strategies. This stage is about fine-tuning your business model, just as you would refine your tactics in a military operation. Analyze your market, adapt to trends, and stay agile. Significant milestones, such as your first big contract or expansion, can be daunting. Preparation is key. Draw on your military experience of meticulous planning and execution to ensure you're ready for these pivotal moments. In business, as in military operations, not every mission is a success. But failure is not the end. It's an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace these experiences, analyze what went wrong, and use these lessons to come back stronger. Your military background has instilled in you an unmatched level of resilience and perseverance. These qualities are your greatest assets in the face of business challenges. Remember, perseverance is often the difference between failure and success. The first taste of success in your business venture is exhilarating. Whether it's breaking even, landing a major client, or receiving positive customer feedback, these moments are your rewards for the hard work and risks taken. Every success, no matter how small, is a learning opportunity. Reflect on what led to these achievements and how you can replicate this success on a larger scale. With initial successes under your belt, it's time to think about scaling and expanding. This might mean broadening your product line, entering new markets, or hiring more staff. Plan this phase with the same precision you would a military campaign. As in your military career, having a long-term vision and setting goals is essential in business. Where do you see your business in 5, 10, or even 20 years? Set clear, achievable goals and work relentlessly towards them. In this stage, you're no longer a novice in the business world. You face challenges and emerge stronger. Now it's about leveraging these strengths to solidify your place in the business landscape. Sustainability in business is crucial for long-term success. This means not only financial sustainability, but also ethical and environmental considerations. Your military experience working efficiently and responsibly can guide you here. Success in business isn't just about personal gain. It's about how you can give back to your community, especially fellow veterans and service members who might be following in your footsteps. Your journey can be a beacon of hope and inspiration for others. Share your story, mentor upcoming veteran entrepreneurs, and play a role in creating a supportive network for those transitioning from military to business life. The journey from military service to business success is ongoing. It's a path of continuous learning, adapting, and growing. Your experiences, both in the military and in business, are invaluable assets that will guide you through this journey. If you're a veteran or active duty service member dreaming of starting your own business, the time to act is now. Use your unique skills, discipline, and determination to create your success story. Join us in this mission to transform military skills into business triumphs and embark on a journey of a lifetime.